other programs conducted by other government departments. A total number of 5,423 new voters have been registered in the electoral rolls of the 5 assembly constituencies of the district during the enrollment program conducted in the month of November 2021 and thus relieves the gap to a large extent. The Office of the District Election Officer with the District Nompo had celebrated the 12th National Voters' Day on 25th of January 2022 with the theme Making Election Inclusive, Accessible and Participative. The repeatedly taboo depicts the sweep programs conducted during the special summary revision of electoral rules. The Office of the District Election Officer with the District Nompo urged all eligible youth of the district to come forward and enroll in the electoral roll.
Not for us lah. Birba. Agriculture. Domain of soil and water solution. Wow, 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 wow. Oh, CR.
Fresh chicken.
She will fill up our YouTube. Kade buku CR kade. Bukan.
The third tribunal presented by the Agriculture Department of the district. The tribunal demonstrates that the Department of Agriculture depicts the natural farming system in an organized scientific way, also known as the integrated farming system. At the low and within the lower reaches of the physiography of the district, rice cultivation is being practiced with modern production technology, mainly hybrid IPM and FRI, etc., alongside the presence of the diverse land bases of the land, Penakyon, Penakali, Lakang, and Menwi, etc. At the upland of the middle ridges, it shows the presence of the several crops, namely the gold crops, the cocoa grapes, the beans, etc.
The next battle belongs to Third Water Conservation Department. The 3 minutes